Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have my daily charm box. This is a subscription box. I just started the subscription in May. It comes every 2 months. This is the July box. Yes, look at this. It came totally okay. Let me, the other side has my address. Let me see. Yeah, it came like this, you guys. Totally smashed, like exactly like this. I took pictures. I did go ahead and open it because I wanted to see if anything was damaged. Oops, that's the card. This is the inspo card here. It's the summer 25. This tells you everything that's in the box. So yes, I know Daily Charm would not have sent a box out like this, so it had to happen during, shipping. I don't know if it was thrown around, if it got smashed in like another mailbox. It was in our big, at the end of the mailbox, you have like a locker thing where you have to, they put the key in your mailbox and you open it and then you can't take the key out. So yeah, I mean, it's huge. So it wasn't smashed in there. I don't know what happened. But yeah, I was like, I haven't even went through everything. I just looked at the top to make sure nothing, doesn't seem like anything's missing. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and, oh, this is super cute. Just go through this quickly. This is a little seashell. Now this is one of the bonus items, seashell hair clip. Super cute. Look at the colors on that. And then we get a whole bunch of stickers. These are mermaid tails and seashells. Little starfish. These are so pretty. And then we get, oh, these are beautiful holographic seashells and starfish. Just trying to see, so yeah, stickers, Mystic Mermaids and Seashell Dreams. And then this is called Under the Sea. Just a bunch of little fish, little starfish. Oh my god, these are so cute. So when I'm opening this, today is July 18th, Friday. So we still have time to do our sets. We get some very pretty holographic seashell charms. Very, very pretty. These are resin. It says right here, seashell resin mix. 15 pieces. Oh my god, look at these little turtles. How cute. We get some little resin turtles. It doesn't say how many are in here. This says limited. Yeah, these are all limited. I think they're going to put these on the website, but they are limited. Super cute. And then we have some gold mix here. Very pretty. I do have some of these, but I love these. I don't have like the tiny little seashells. Mine are a little bit bigger, but yeah, just a mixture of different seashells, starfish. Oh, these are pretty. These are clusters. You have the little iridescent pearl, you have a starfish, a little white pearl, and then some seashells and a little rhinestone. Very cute. Oh, these are gorgeous. I don't have anything like that. I do have some of these little jellyfish, but they are so cute, different colors. They're iridescent little resin pieces. Ooh, this is really pretty. This is Twinkle Twinkle Mystic Tides Crystal Mix, 1,440 piece. Dreamy iridescent round crystals in pink, purple, and blue. And they're all mixed sizes. Yeah, those are pretty. Very pretty. And then we have, oh yeah, this is another bonus. This is a pedicure set, a little file. Oh, this is a cute little iridescent file. It kind of has like a mermaid texture, little design. And then of course the little toe separators or little hearts. Cute. Ooh, these are cute. Mini shell and mermaid stud mix, over 100 pieces. So yes, you get the little shells. Now I like these. Other ones I have are super thick. These look like they're very thin. Oh, and I like this color. Yes, I need to do a mermaid set with these. Oh, these are super cute. And then they have the matching, let's close that. The little bubble, little half pearl. Oh, these are so pretty. I like these. I don't have any of these colors. The only half pearls I have are like a brown, a purple, and of course the white, but I don't have a lot of white. So these are perfect. And then, oh, a mold. You guys, I have seen everybody with these molds. I have old molds that are like square, rectangle, and they're very hard to get out. Like when you do the polish, they're hard to pop them out. They break. I always see people with this style and it looks, oh, these are deep too. Oh, yes. Little turtle, seahorse, seashells, starfish. I am excited to use this. Oh, some little starfish, different colors. We have peach, white, and then like a green color. Very, very cute. And then this is a cat eye magnet ball set. Creates fun water ripple, snake skin, flower, or stripe patterns. Cool. And then, oh, this is very mermaid. This is some little flakes, seafoam bubbles glitter, unique 3D iridescent effect. Yes, that is gorgeous. Look at that. And then of course we get some foil. So yeah, everything was in the box. It's just a shame. Look at how beat up that was. I was so mad when I first saw it. I was like, I hope nothing's broken or missing. So mermaid tail foil box, mermaid scale and water marble design. So yes, very pretty little water design. Of course, the mermaid scales. This box is amazing. I love it. So then we have the 2 gels. So we have 2 gels. We have E30 and E31. Deep Blue Sea and Mermaid Kiss. They are both, I think they're both, oh yeah, cat eye. Rich, so the blue one, a rich ocean-inspired cat magnetic gel that shifts with light like waves at dusk. Exclusive in this July Charme Box. This one's a lavender cat eye, shifts to rose and bright pink. Part of the new Mermaid Chameleon cat eye collection. I saw that. I got an email for that. Oh yes, that is perfect. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I will swatch these. And then Mermaid Kiss. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at that. So yes, on here it tells you it is part of the Chameleon cat eye, and then this is the soak off cat eye. Alright, so I'm going to get some swatch sticks here and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm just gonna, I do want to use the magnet too, so let's see. The blue, I didn't put any base coat or anything, I usually do, but I just wanted to get this done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do the first coat, and then I will cure it, and then we'll do the cat eye after. But that is so pretty, that blue. And then we have the Mermaid Kiss. So it says it's a lavender that shifts, but it actually looks like a gray to me. I don't know. But that is very pretty. Look at that. So I'm going to go ahead and cure these, and then I'll come back and do the second coat. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and do the second coat. I'm not sure really how to do it. Yeah, I'm not really sure. It doesn't really look like it's even doing anything. it's kind of doing something there, but oh, I think you have to turn it this way. I don't know, it's kind of, I don't know if I'm even doing it right, but it leaves little marks like that. So yeah, it does leave like little, I just don't know if I'm doing it right. But that's a cool design though. Trying to see, I think the magnet, I don't know, it has to be a certain, oops, I just touched it, certain way. Yeah, you can see the little design in there. That's pretty cool though. Let me get another magnet. Yeah, you can see, oh, that's pretty, yeah, that little shift in there. Yeah, I'm not sure how to use this. I have to, oops, it's touching it, play around with it. But it, that is pretty though, look at that. So I do have to play around with that magnet, but look, it looks pretty cool. And then yeah, this one, it did it at first, but then I put the other magnet, it probably took it off, but that's pretty though. Very pretty shift on that. I love this one though for the water. All right, so this is everything that came in the box. I absolutely love it. These stickers are super cute. Like I don't have anything like I have some fish, but not with all the rest. You know, I do have some mermaid tails, but not like, oh, look at these, look like the little blush that you could do the scale. Oh, that's super cute. And then these rhinestones are beautiful. Just, I love these clusters. Yes, I love this box so far. This is my second box. Well, I gotten boxes in the past, but not a subscription. So yes, I'm gonna leave the link down below. Like I said, it's every 2 months that the box comes out, and it is $49, but I used a code. I'll put the code in there. I used somebody's code, and then it did take the 10% off. So yeah, a couple dollars off. So yes, thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to do a set with this stuff. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye.